Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to clear the cache for Figma in 2025, both in the desktop app and on your browser. If you've ever run into odd glitches in Figma, slow loading, or just want a fresh start, clearing your cache can make a big difference. By the end of this video, you'll know the step-by-step process to clear Figma's cache on both the app and Google Chrome, so your workflow can stay smooth and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First, let's tackle the Figma desktop application. Go ahead and open up the Figma app on your computer. Now I want you to head to the very top corner where you'll see your profile or a small arrow pointing down. This is the drop-down arrow we're looking for. Give that a click. You should see a menu appear with a variety of options. From here, look for the Help section. Sometimes it's easy to glance over, so don't worry if you need a second to spot it. Then under Help, find Troubleshooting. This is the section where Figma keeps tools meant for fixing common issues, kind of like your car's glove box with all those emergency items. Once you're in troubleshooting, you'll see an option that says Reset Figma and Restart. Go ahead and click it. What this does is clear out the temporary files and cache that Figma's been storing in the background. Just a heads up, it might take a moment for the app to close and relaunch, so don't worry if you see a little spinning wheel or your projects take a second to reload. This reset won't delete your files or projects. It's just giving Figma a clean slate, like tidying up your work desk for a fresh start. Alright, so that covers the desktop app. But if you're using Figma in your web browser, specifically Google Chrome, let's walk through those steps as well. Open Google Chrome and look up to the top right corner. You'll see three little dots stacked vertically. These are your More options. Click there and you'll get a drop-down menu. From here, choose Settings. Now, settings can seem a bit intimidating, but I'll walk you through exactly where you need to go next. Look for Privacy and Security. This is where Chrome manages all things related to your browsing data. Inside there, find the option for third-party cookies. We're not adjusting cookies just yet, but we'll get to the next step, which is See All Site Data and Permissions. Think of this like looking into a digital junk drawer that holds little tidbits from every website you've visited, including Figma. In that section, there's a search bar. Type in Figma. This will filter everything and show just the data that Figma's stored in your browser. You might see a few items pop up like cookies or cached images. All you have to do is click Delete Displayed Data, and that's it. Figma's cached files and data tied to Chrome are now cleared away. That's all there is to it. Whether you're using the app or the browser version, you now know how to reset Figma's cache and give yourself a blank slate to work from. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. If you have any questions or run into any trouble along the way, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more step-by-step guides like this, be sure to subscribe for future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.